Hey, what's up, guys? Today is January the 23rd on a Thursday. We are out here on a small project, and what was interesting, we had a project today in Mableton. It was a screen and recoat with UV cure. Same situation. She had someone do her floors. They did not do a great job. She found me on Google, but she had the movers coming out to move the furniture, so she actually postponed, because the movers postponed because of the weather we had a few days ago, until next Wednesday. So we had a new lead come in yesterday. This is Miss Alexis out here in Atlanta. Same thing, guys. She had a company come in. She said, Courtney, I had to kick them out. They were not doing a good job, and I'm gonna show you guys what happened. This is why you got to really be careful who you hire. So anyway, we're in the right in the heart of Atlanta. I'm going to be doing a little bit over 500 square foot screen and recoat, also with 14 stairs. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. So that is some of the residual from the snow we got a few days ago, and I don't know if I told you guys, that day was, what was that? Today's Thursday, was Tuesday, and I actually got stuck. I had to take my car to the local Kroger's and park it and walk about 2 miles home like a lot of other people. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today, man. These are beautiful floors, but the floors, they did not put enough finish on these floors and probably use a cheap finish. So we're going to be doing a screen and recoat. Got that whitewash look, which is a beautiful look, depending on, clients, what they like. But beautiful floor. And want to screen it down, put down 2 coats of 2-component finish. Guys, let me zoom in. Let me show you. So I had Alexa send me some pictures yesterday. She sent me some pictures, and like I said, I gave her a price based off the pictures, and she said, let's do it. But you see right there, guys, okay, these floors have they probably did 1 coat, and probably a cheap coat, probably a 1 component, and just left the floors as is. And so you're going to have it done right today. So all we're going to be doing, guys, is this entire area right here. We're also going to be doing these stairs, 14 stairs. So I'm going to have Tavares start palm sanding these down. Also this hallway right here, and then going into this kitchen area right here. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to make these floors look really good. Are screened, cleaned, vacuumed, tacked. Floors feel so much smoother now. When I first came in here, the first thing I did was felt the floors with my hand. Felt a lot of grain raised. That's usually when they put a coat on and don't put another coat, or either buff it down in between coats. So I just got through putting the finish down on the stairs. All right. Client did want some sheen, but not a high sheen. So yeah, guys, we went ahead and get the first coat down. And these floors are going to look amazing. All right, guys, stay tuned. Nah, you don't pay. I pay for it. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys, my client just got back and she is happy with the floors. This is the first coat. I'm gonna put down another coat because this finish really not this finish, this floor really had no finish. As you can see before and after. I mean, look at that, guys. This is a totally different floor. Floors look amazing. So what we're gonna do is she's gonna let the dogs out to take a potty break, and then we're gonna get the second coat down, and that will be it for the week. This is the last job of the week. And like I said, we had one we was gonna do today, but she hired the moving guys to move the furniture. And with the weather, they postponed on her. So we push her off to next Wednesday. And the exact same issue. She had her floors done a month ago. And I went to look at those floors and they did a horrible job. So guys, just be careful, man, who you hire. Also, we did the stairs. See a huge difference in the stairs. And that satin sheen looks really good on this floor. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Oh, that looks beautiful. All right, see you in the next one.